Hello guys, today we make creme brulee using the glass jar technique. So I will use my sous vide station. Don't worry, you can use the old-fashioned style, pot with the water and thermometer. Will be more difficult to keep the temperature, but you can do it, don't worry. For this recipe we need 4 yolks. We add 35 grams of sugar, mix very well. A little bit of vanilla, (130 grams of milk and 200 grams of heavy whipping cream. We mix everything very well and voila! Now we put it in the jars, close with the lids and put the jars in the water. (85 degrees Celsius) for 45 minutes. See you later. Our creme brulee is ready, but now it's too hot, so we should wait that cool down a little bit the temperature. After I will store in the fridge and tomorrow I will test it. See you tomorrow. Spectacular, super soft, plus with the sugar, very crunchy, really spectacular. Very soft. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have some advice, some question, always down in the comments. Also check the list ingredient under the video. Bye bye. And one is gone.